Hello people, I don't know if you noticed, sometimes when you try to bevel edges, there's one option that I want you to pay attention on, because I was cutting um, hole in polygon for doors, because I will be installing new doors, but there's one option that I want you to pay attention on. When you use Control E on your keyboard, you can use shortcut keyboards, or you can use menu. Okay, I will use menu. Wait a minute. Okay. I don't know if you noticed something. When you select loop slide, sometimes this option causes artifacts when you try to have a polygon. It's not looking, it's not exactly as you think it's supposed to be. You can see sometimes it is flat. If you want to fix, you can deselect that. Because in my previous video tutorial, I was talking about fixing bevel issue of polygon. If you still struggle with it, you can turn normals on. You can check if they display properly. If they don't display, you can go to mesh, normals, recalculate outside. In object mode, you can use object, apply scale. But this topic was mainly about bevel options. I wish I could remember this. I have to use one of the polygons to check. Control E, bevel edges, loop slide. Okay. Sometimes this option is not necessary, especially when you try to bevel window frame. After I was showing to you that tutorial, I hope you will take advantage of that option. Loop slide. Loop slide. Okay, I will have to increase this. You can see I have got perfect shape. Now I will have to smooth this. Okay, I want to smooth this. Shade smooth. Auto smooth. But if you see artifacts like that, you can still fix that. Because I'm finishing tutorial now. Shade flat. Now we have perfect, nice looking polygon shape. Make sure you save your scene quite often, because sometimes Blender or Blender for artists crashes suddenly without any reason. See you guys, have a nice day.